Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to add payment methods into your own WordPress, and it's really simple. So the first thing you will have to do is navigate into your own profile. So you can add methods of payment in your WordPress by doing so in the purchasing part right here. So in purchases you will have to go to payment methods, and then from there when you scroll down and you add the payment button method, you'll be able to actually add into your name, your card number, expiry date, security code, and that. So you will have to save that card, of course, and this will be used as a payment method for all your subscriptions and payments or anything that you would like to purchase in the near future using your own card here in WordPress. And it's really just that simple. You can also use different payment methods by choosing with the card number right here, and there you go. So there's also backup pay methods right here. So if you want to use another card, you can add another pay method right there in purchases so that you'll be able to do two cards at once you already have maybe spent the limit on the first card. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.